In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out in Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can safely log out of your account whenever you're finished using Teams, especially on shared or public devices. This is a very simple action, but it's important for keeping your information secure and making sure the right account is being used. First, make sure you're on the main Microsoft Teams screen in your web browser. You should already be signed in and able to see your usual Teams interface, such as your chats, Teams, or calendar. Once you're there, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where your profile area is located. In that top right corner, look for your profile icon. Depending on your account, this might appear as your initials inside a small circle, or it might be a profile picture if you've uploaded one. It may also show your status, like available or do not disturb, next to it. This little circle is what you're going to click. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. When you do this, a small menu will drop down. This menu usually shows your name or email, your status, and several options related to your account and settings. Take a second to look at this menu so you recognize it in the future. It's the same place you'll visit if you ever want to change your status or adjust your settings. In this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Sign Out. It's typically found toward the bottom of the list. Once you've located it, click on Sign Out. After you click Sign Out, Teams will start logging you out of your account. You might briefly see a loading screen, and then you'll be redirected, usually to a sign-in page or a confirmation screen indicating that you've been signed out successfully. At this point, you are no longer connected to your Teams account in that browser. If you're on a shared computer, it's a good idea to close the browser tab or window after signing out, just to be extra safe. And when you're ready to use Microsoft Teams again, you can simply open Teams, sign in with your account, and continue where you left off. That's all there is to it. Click your profile icon in the upper right, choose Sign Out, and you're done.